Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show how you can send WhatsApp messages to newly added contacts in HubSpot application automatically. So guys, HubSpot is a customer relationship management application, and here you can add in contacts the details of your clients, your customers and your leads. And if you want to send WhatsApp messages automatically to newly added contacts in HubSpot, you can use this automation that I'm about to show you. So here you can see on my screen guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you are going to add a new contact in HubSpot, a WhatsApp message will be delivered to that contact automatically. So it can be a message of any type, like a thank you message for signing up, a promotional message, a transactional message, or any kind of message. Okay, so this will save your time in manually typing the messages and manually searching for the contacts that you are adding here. So it will save your manual efforts and your time, and it will improve your productivity. And guys, here I'm using Pabbly Connect application to make this happen, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let's set up this automation together. So to set up this automation guys, first of all we need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now, then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a proper name to this workflow. So here I am giving the name as HubSpot to WhatsApp automation. Okay, so after giving the name like this, just click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up. And here is the beautiful workflow page you can see, and here you will find the trigger and the action, which are the basic building blocks of this automation. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, the trigger would be addition of a contact in HubSpot, and the action towards that trigger would be to send a WhatsApp message to the same contact automatically, right? So first of all, we need to set up the trigger guys. So from this choose app field, you have to choose the trigger application as HubSpot CRM. Okay, this one, select it. And in the trigger event guys, you have to select this contact added, this one, new contact added option. So it will trigger this workflow whenever a new contact is added, right? And here you can see this is going to trigger every 10 minutes. Okay, and in every 10 minutes this is going to check in HubSpot if there is a new contact, and if it finds any new contact in HubSpot, this workflow will continue and send a WhatsApp message, right? So from here click on connect, and here you have to select this add new connection option. Here you can give a name to this connection, because these connections are going to be saved in your account. And here it is asking for the API key of HubSpot. So you will find this API key in the integration section of HubSpot. You can see, you can read the instructions written here and follow the steps. Let me show you how you can find that. So this is my HubSpot CRM's contact section guys, and here you can see I have this settings icon on the top right. Click on settings. All right, then you have to scroll down here on the left hand side panel, and under the integrations option you will find this API key tab. Click on API key, and here is the API key that we want. Okay, so click on show here. Okay, like this, then copy the whole key like this and paste this key here in this field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with HubSpot like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the output properties. So you can choose the output properties. You can multi-select properties to be returned in this response. So guys, in HubSpot CRM, when you add a contact, you can add many details in the contact section, like the name, email, phone number, company, location, address, many things, right? So you can fetch out the output properties here. You can decide what are the things that you want here. Okay, so typically we want a WhatsApp number and the name of the contact so that we can send a proper message. So you can select the output properties from this list, you can see. So first of all, from this list, let's search for the name of the person. So I'm typing here first name. Okay, here is the first name. I have selected it. Now put a comma here, not here, and let me type the last name as well. Here is the last name. Okay, then I want phone number. Here's the phone number and the email address also. So type your email. Here is the email, guys. Select it. Okay, so we have selected the properties, and now when you click on save and send test request, it will fetch the details of a most recently created contact from your HubSpot. So you can see actually you can manually add contacts here in HubSpot, or you can create a lead generation form, and with the help of that form you can fetch the contacts here. So actually I have created a form here. Let me open it again. This is a form I have created. Okay, and with the help of this form I'm going to create a contact in HubSpot, and after that we are going to fetch the data of that contact here in our workflow. So here let me give the name of the person as dummy1. Last name is name last. Okay, I'm just filling the demo details here, and here I'm going to put the WhatsApp number. Okay, and here let me okay, here I'm submitting the form. You can see the form is submitted, and in the contact section when you refresh, you will get the new contact created. Here you can see this is a new contact, dummy1, name last, this is the email, and this is the phone number. Right, now let's capture the data of that contact here. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received. In this response you can see the first name label, the last name label, the phone number label. According to the properties I have selected here, the things got captured here like this. Okay, now guys, I want to send a WhatsApp message to this contact, and to do that I'm using this action step, and from here you have to search for WhatsApp's Cloud API. So guys, Cloud API is the official business API of WhatsApp, by which you can connect your business number with WhatsApp's API to send messages on WhatsApp. And guys, to use this feature here, first of all you need to connect your number with the WhatsApp's API, and if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, where we have thoroughly explained the whole process of connecting your business number with the Cloud API of WhatsApp, right? And after that select this feature here, and in the action events select send template message option, and then click on connect here. And if you're making the connection with the Cloud API of WhatsApp for the very first time, you have to select this add new connection option, and here you can give a name to this connection as well, and this connection will be saved here in your account. And here it is asking for the permanent access token of your Cloud API setup, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about these things and how to make the connection, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly Connect, forum.pabbly.com here. Okay, and on this page you will find these two videos. First video is for the setup of WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second video is for generating the permanent access token, and here we have steps along with the screenshots regarding the connection of WhatsApp's Cloud API in the action and then in the trigger. So you can follow this page and get to know everything about the Cloud API setup. And guys, to find these three things, I can show you the cloud of my Cloud API setup. Here you can see I am under Meta for Developers page, and here is WhatsApp's Getting Started page. And in the Getting Started page, you will get a temporary access token. Okay, so first they gave you temporary token, guys, but these tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent access token. And if you want to know how to generate the permanent access token, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Here we have a full video on the process of generating the permanent token. Okay, And after getting the token, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token in future also to make the connections. And after getting the token generated, you have to paste it here in the token field. Similarly, you will find the phone number ID here like this. You can copy it from here only and paste it here. And then you will find the business account ID here. Just copy it and paste it here like this. Okay. And after filling all the things, click on save and you will be connected with WhatsApp's cloud API, right? And this connection that you are making here will be saved in your account. So making the connection by this process can be a one-time process only. After that, if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow, you can use that same existing connection that you have already created. As I have already created many connections with my cloud API setup before in different workflows, so I can use my existing connections. For that, I just need to select this existing connection option, and here it will show me this select connections option, and when I am going to click here, it will show me all the connections list that I have already created. And from here I can choose any of my existing connections. I am choosing this one, and now I just have to click on save and I'll be connected again with the WhatsApp's cloud API like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the templates name, message templates name. So guys, message templates are the predefined standard message structures that you need to create beforehand and get it approved by Facebook, and then you can use the templates here to send messages automatically to multiple people at once, right? So here you can see I have created a message template already for this purpose, and the template, my template is this one. Guys, this is a message template I have created for sending messages to new contacts. You can see the preview of this message template is here. It is saying, hello Roger Binney. This is a sample name of any person. Thank you for filling out the form. We'll be in touch shortly. Warm regards, Team Pabbly. Okay. So here you can see, guys, in place of this Roger Binney, we are going to have the name of my contact. Okay. And here you can change the organization's name or your company's name. Okay, so these are the variable things I have in my message template. So in message template, you can see in the body box here, I have this one in double curly braces. This is called a variable tag or body field of a message. And here you can see I have two body fields here. So to change some things in every new message, we need to place the body fields here properly in the message template. Okay, so you can watch the videos from the description, guys, where we have thoroughly explained how you can create a message template, how you can place body fields, and how you can get it approved from Facebook. So you can learn everything about that from that video, and after that you can create a template and use that template here in your workflow. Okay, and here, first of all, you have to select your template's name. My template's name is this one, reply to lead. Okay, so I'm selecting it from here, reply to lead. Here it is. Okay, and after selecting the template, you have to come here on the recipient mobile number field, and you have to map the WhatsApp number of your contact that you have added in HubSpot. So guys, I have fetched the test contact details here in this first step. So this is a demo contact I have created, and here I have got this phone number label here, and I'm going to map this label here in this field. So just click here and it will show the HubSpot step in the drop down, and from here only you can get all the details you have fetched in the first step. From here, just click on the phone number label and it will be mapped here. Now it is asking for the body fields 1 and 2. So guys, to change the values of these body fields dynamically with every new message, you have to map the values of the body fields here. So let me map the things. First body field is for the name of the person. So here is the first name, and you can map the full name also. Here is the last name. Okay, and here you can put the name of your organization. I'm putting here Pabbly only. You can put yours. Okay, so the organization name is going to be the same, so you can put it manually also. So the thing you are putting here manually is not going to change. The things you are mapping here will be changing according to the data you are receiving from the trigger. Okay, now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request. A test WhatsApp message will be delivered to this number, and I have the access of this WhatsApp account, so I can show you the message. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here. So here you can see this is the message we have received. Okay, and here it is showing hello dummy one last name. name last. Actually, this is the name I have created. Thank you for filling out the form. We'll be in touch shortly. Warm regards. Okay. So this is how the message is going to look like in real time whenever you add a new contact in HubSpot. Let me show you a real time example also. Here I am filling the form again. Okay, and let us fill a proper name this time. Let the email ID be this only. Okay, and let's say the name of the person is John, last name is Nash. Okay, this is the WhatsApp number, and here I'm clicking on submit, and I'm submitting the form. Okay, so the form is submitted. Now let's see directly in the WhatsApp number if we got a new message or not. So guys, here you can see John Nash is added here in the contact section on HubSpot, and we are going to wait for a few minutes because here you can see we have this trigger which is based on every 10 minutes. So it is going to check in every 10 minutes the data that you are adding here in HubSpot, and if there is a new contact, a WhatsApp message will be delivered. So I have used the same WhatsApp number to show you the message. So we are going to wait for a few minutes and we will see if we got a new message or not. And here you can see we got a new message, and now it is showing, hello John Nash, thank you for filling out the form, we'll be in touch shortly. And in place of the name body field, you can see the name got changed, John Nash is here. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that it is going to run automatically. And the good part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.